Oil and natural gas both have seen a good swing and precisely bounced back from the support levels. Oil dropping till towards 77.56 levels and has again seen a very strong recovery till towards 79.5. At the same time, my favorite natural gas bounced back from precisely the support levels at around 2.5 levels. It failed to break below 2.52 and has bounced back. We discussed this several times that 2.5, 2.48 levels is the strongest support so far, and it has respected those beautifully and it has recovered for 2.66. Now, what to expect today? Can we expect a rise again, or both are going to stay bearish? Which position you should take trading oil and natural gas today? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session, and hence press the bell icon in order to stay updated. At the same time, you can join my free Telegram channel in order to get the live market updates. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start. First, we look into US crude, followed with net gas. And yes, your every like, share, subscribe, and comment is a great support motivation for me. I do read all the comments. Definitely, it inspires me to deliver best of my abilities every time. So do comment, like, share, and subscribe. With that, let's start. First, oil. Now look, oil on the daily hourly charts, you can find out double bottom is done here. Double bottom definitely suggests that it is a strong support, and suddenly it has changed its gear towards the bullishness. You can see the slope is changed now. I will wait for it to break out beyond 79.5 levels. And remember, as we have discussed earlier, 79.8, 80.2 is the stronger resistance zone. Hence, above 79.5, you can stay long for 79.8, 70, and 80.2 levels. If it breaks past these levels, then you can consider this as breakout, and possibly we can expect again oil hitting at around 80.6 and 81 levels. Now, at the same time, look at this. So, from where this rise has started, you can see the 20 period moving average and the sign of support here at 78.8 levels. Thus, these levels have become a great support. Even if you are selling at 78.8, remember it is going to be a little riskier. 78.6, 78.4, 78.2. Every 20 cents, there is a good support, at least as long as 78 levels are respected here. Now let's have a further detail look. Stochastic is near to top. MACD is bullish. It can converge. RSI is almost flat on the hourly charts. Coming to 2 hour chart, likewise on the 2 hour chart, see same double bottom. Suddenly you can find out the slope is changed and it is trying to stay bullish here. So possibly once only a sell entry can be taken if you see it staying below 78.8, which is formed a great support as of now. But on the downside, in fact, if you are taking a sell entry, you have to put a 20 cents trailing stop loss, nothing more, nothing less. Only below 78 is where the bears will try to take over. At the same time, as we discussed, above 79.5, you can initiate a buy entry. Stochastic is overbought. MACD has crossed over here at bottom, trading with divergence, bullishness. RSI is almost flat. Coming to 3, similar is the observation on the 3 hour charts. Only point to note here is the slope of this. See, this is a accelerated bearishness and the rise is gradual. So yes, we have to watch out for, because this is could be still the retracement, not a reversal, at least as long as 81 is respected. Now see, stochastic here is also overbought, but the MACD has just crossed over, trying to trade with divergence and bullishness. RSI is almost flat. Coming to 4 hour. Now look at 4 hour chart. See, the prices were divergent from the 20 period moving average. It has converged till towards 20 period moving average. Higher lows, higher highs are seen. Possibly once it gives a breakout, 80.2 levels might get achieved, and beyond that, more bullishness may prevail. Stochastic overbought. MACD has crossed over, trying to trade with little divergence and bullishness. You can see higher lows here, and it can try to give you higher highs as well. RSI flat on the 4 hour charts. Coming to the daily. Now look at daily charts. See, double bottom outside Bollinger Bands, and that is why we can see a pullback. Now I'll wait for the next candle when it starts on this chart. Possibly once it stays bullish, once it stays above 79.5, 79.6, and then see, 79.8, 80.2 is the zone it needs to break past by. That is the point beyond which little more bullishness can be seen. Now what has happened in oil? Drop, then retracement, then drops, possible retracement. Now highs of this channel are somewhere here. You can see this at around 80.5, 80.6 levels. So this is somewhere, at least as long as 81 is respected, we should not be treating this as for a bullish reversal. Only above 81 is where the bulls will take over here. Stochastic has dropped. It is trading comfortable right now. The MACD is trading with extreme bearishness. So possibly another green candle, and we can see the MACD converging, because see, it is trading with extreme divergence, it must try to converge, and that calls for a little greener candles. RSI is also. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy oil at around 79.5 levels and sell at 78.8. If you are taking a sell at 78.8, you have to put a 20 cents trailing stop loss. There are good supports at 78.54 levels and then 78.2 levels. These are the two very strong support levels below which only further bearishness may prevail, and then we can look forward for it to again go past 77.5 levels. On the upside, you can buy here at 79.5, but then 79.8, 80.2 is the first resistance zone, and then 80.6. If and only if you see it trading beyond 80.6, we can expect 81, and beyond 81 it is reversal. I do not expect it to break past 81 though, but yes, these are markets, anything and everything is possible, and hence trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at net gas, and before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. The 25th batch is going to start on first week of September. Only limited seats are available. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at gas on the hourly chart. See, it is breached past the resistance at around 2.66. It is then reversed from there. Now this is still a retracement. I will wait for it to again break past 2.62. At 2.62 you can buy, but then 2.6466 is what you should wait. Once it stays above 2.66, definitely we may see it hitting past 2.7, 2.72 zone, the next resistance. And then we all know the strongest resistance it needs to break past by is 2.76. Beyond that, sky is the limit for net. I am still bullish. The rise yesterday from 2.5 to levels have further strengthened uh, my opinion for net gas to stay bullish for a near term. And yes, if this rise would not have been there, if it would have breached 2.48, that would have shaken my confidence towards the bullishness. But I was firm that it is going to bounce back, and precisely it has shown a good recovery. Now look at the hourly charts here. See, it is after this drop, it is trying to retrace. I will wait for a breakout beyond 2.62. That will be the confirmation of a rise. Stochastic rising, MACD trying to cross over for sell. RSI is flat. Coming to 2-hour charts, likewise on the 2-hour chart, see rise, retracement, and if it continues its up move from here, it can yield another strong bullish momentum. Stochastic has dropped. MACD is still in green, trying to trade with little divergence. RSI is flat. Coming to 3-hour, now see more or less similar observation here. We have to wait for it to break past 2.62 levels, then we can expect 2.6466 as the next resistance, and beyond that it is going to probably look forward to 2.7 and plus levels, which should be the sign of reversal. See, it is trading in this bearish channel. Remember this fact, it has to come out of this bearish channel in order to achieve higher highs, which suggests possibly beyond that 2.8 is the next target. The stochastic near to top, MACD has crossed over at the bottom, trying to trade with little divergence and bullishness. RSI is almost flat here. Coming to 4-hour chart. Now look, similar observation on the 4-hour charts. However, see, it is still trading in this bearish channel. Note that point. And but this greener candle and a smaller red candle suggests that it is still bullish. It has just tried to retrace here, and that is why I say you can buy at 2.68. See, this price has to be about 2.62 levels. You can buy at 2.62, and this price has to be about 2.62, where you can buy, expect it to get resistance at around 2.6566 levels, and then ultimately for 2.772 is the first resistance, then 2.76 is the next resistance level. See, stochastic here is near to top here. At the same time, the MACD has crossed over at the bottom, but trading with very little divergence. This suggests that the bullishness is there. However, it is almost very minuscule. It has to break past the resistance zone in order to confirm the rise. RSI is flat. Coming to the daily. Now look at the daily charts here. See, lower highs, lower lows are there precisely from the bottom of this channel. It has tried to recover. Now again staying within the channel. I will wait for the next candle. When you see it staying about 2.6566 zone, definitely 2.7, and then we can see more bullishness here, which might take it beyond 2.76 levels also. Yes, that is the greatest level here on the upside. See, it is trading in this bearish channel. It has to now break past 2.7, 2.76 zone in order to confirm a reversal and a rise from there. Stochastic oversold. MACD is extremely divergent, bearish. Probably it can converge here. RSI is almost flat. Considering this, I recommend you to buy gas today at 2.62, but then with caution note that at least it has to break past by first 2.6566 levels and then ultimately 2.7 levels. If these two are taken, sky is the limit for net gas. Possibly we are looking forward to 2.76, 2.8, and beyond 2.8, then further bullishness is going to prevail. Take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.